Theorem 6.4. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. यहाँ पे हमें क्या दिया है, दो पैरेलल लाइंस. सो हम लोग ये कंसिडर करते हैं कि ये ए बी और सी डी ये दो पैरेलल लाइंस है और हमें क्या प्रूव करना है कि जो इंटीरियर एंगल्स इस ट्रांसवर्सल है यहाँ पे पी एस, और जो इंटीरियर एंगल्स पी एस के दोनों एक ही तरफ है वो दोनों सप्लीमेंट्री है. सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स मतलब जिनकी टोटल 180 डिग्रीज होती है. सो हमें प्रूव करना है कि एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 5 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्रीज एंड एंगल 4 प्लस एंगल 6 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्रीज. ओके, सो हाउ डू वी प्रूव दिस? नाउ इफ यू ऑब्जर्व दिस लाइन पी एस, along this line PS, angle 1 and angle 3 form a linear pair. That means this total angle is 180 degrees. So we can say that angle 3 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so this is our first statement. Angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. Reason is linear pair. Then similarly, angle 1 and angle 5, now these angles are equal because they are corresponding angles. Okay, so we are saying our second statement is angle 1 is equal to angle 5, corresponding angles axiom. So if you observe these two statements, we have angle 1 here whose value is equal to angle 5 according to statement 2. So substituting angle 1 is equal to 5 in this equation, substituting 2 in equation 1, we have angle 5 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so that's what we have written here, substituting 2 in 1. Okay, that means this means that therefore angle 3 and 5 are supplementary angles. So this is from statement 3 that we can see. Then similarly, the same way we can prove that angle 4 and 6 are supplementary. How? Again, take a look. So angle 2 and angle 4 on this side of the transversal. So these two angles form a linear pair. Okay, so angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees. Angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees, linear pair. Then angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Okay, let us take a look at the figure again. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. These are corresponding angles and hence these are equal. So angle 2 is equal to angle 6, corresponding angles axiom. Okay, so that means now observe these two statements. If we can substitute the value of angle 2 from statement 6 into or equation 6 into equation 5. So instead of angle 2 we write angle 6. So angle 6 is equal 6 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees. Substituting 6 in 5. Then therefore angle 4 and angle 6 are supplementary. From statement 7 we can say this. So that means we have proved our theorem.